हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर लेसन द फिश टेल। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ लेसन? द फिश टेल। This is the first chapter, and deep under the sea, see the lovely color fish swimming peacefully. Okay, what is this? This is a fish. Okay, then this special poem in 3 lines is called haiku. What? These 3 lines is called haiku. What is haiku? If any poem in 3 lines, then these 3 lines is called haiku. Okay, now such poems about nature are popular in Japan. Here is another haiku. मतलब कि these lines, मतलब these 3 lines is called haiku. These 3 lines is called haiku in Japan. Where? Japan. Okay, these haikus are popular in Japan. Okay, here is another haiku. What is another haiku? The lake calm, smooth, still. A fish jumps up and returns. Ripples shake the lake. Okay, what? The lake calm, smooth, still. A fish jumps up and returns. Jumps and returns. Ripples shakes the lake. Okay. Now what is written here? Do you know any poem about fish? Do you know any poem about fish? I think this will be first poem for you. What the poem? मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हाथ लगाओगे डर जाएगी, बाहर निकालोगे मर जाएगी. Okay, what is written? Here are some drawing made by children. Which drawing? This drawing, this drawing. This is by Navata, class 1st, Maya, class 4th, and there are 2 drawings only. Okay, then what is written? When you think of fishes, what shapes come to your mind? What shapes come your mind? This kind of shape comes in our mind. Which kind of? This kind of. Okay, तो ये क्या है? ये हमारी फिश का शेप है. ओके, this shape is narrow and at the corner. Okay, and this is not narrow at the middle side. Okay, so try to use square A and a triangle to draw fish. So what is saying? Try to use a square. Square, what is square? This is the square. What is square? I am changing my color. This shape is square. Okay, where all 4 lines are, all 4 arms, which can we say lines, are equal. If this is A, then it will be A, and this will be A, and it too A. Okay, this is square. Now what is saying? They is saying, they are saying that triangle. By using triangle we have to made a fish. This is the first triangle and this is the second triangle. This is eyes and this is triangle. This is triangle and this is triangle. It's looking like a fish. They are saying using triangle and square you have to made a fish. I am going. ठीक है. Now on other page what is written? Look for fish design around you on clothes. These clothes you can watch on clothes. There are design of fishes. This kind of fish, this kind of fish, and this kind of another fish. Okay, 3 types of fish, and this is also a fish. Okay. Now what is saying here? Means a fish, Meenakshi. What is the name of this girl? Meenakshi is a girl whose eye look like a fish. Whose eyes? Her eyes is like a fish. Okay. Now he is saying, can you think someone who has such eyes? So can you think? Draw the face. Oh, sorry. Draw the face with fish eyes. So you have to draw a face like a fish eyes, like this. This is the kajal and this is like a face. Okay, this is the face like a. Now fishes can have very different sizes. Means some fishes can be this size and some fishes can be this size. But many fishes can be more big size like a whale. Okay. Now the smallest fish. The smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. Which is what size of smallest fish? 1 centimeter long, like this length. Okay, this is about 1 centimeter. ठीक है, तो the smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. How long is the biggest fish? Can you imagine? Give me a comment. What imagine? Okay. How many times longer is your big fish than the smallest fish? If you imagine about 1000 centimeter long, then it is bigger than 1 centimeter fish. 1000. Okay. और how many ये तो हो गया. अब क्या लिखा है? The biggest fish is the whale shark. So which is the biggest fish? Whale shark. What is the name? Whale shark. It is actually not whale, but it is big fish. Whales are different from fish. What? Whales are different from fish. Some fishes are like this, okay? And whales, shark whales is like this, okay? This kind of fish, okay? Or whales breathe like we do. जिस तरीके से हम सांस लेते हैं वैसे ही whales जो होती हैं वैसे ही करती हैं. Through their noses. From where? Their noses. Okay. Now whales give birth to baby. What? Whales give birth to babies. Okay, not a egg. It gives birth a baby fishes. Okay, what? Baby fishes. But fish lay eggs. The whale's shark fish looks big and dangerous. What kind of? Big and very dangerous, but is quite harmless. It does not attack humans. मतलब वो इंसानों पे अटैक नहीं करती हैं. One whale shark was as longer as 18 meter. What? 18 meter. Okay. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size. How much children? Sorry. How many children? 12 children of your size standing one on top of the other. And guess what is the weight? The what weight? Well, much more what 12 of you together weight. So how much? If your weight is 10 kg, what? Now, if your weight is about 20 kg, okay, then is you are standing 12 and you have to multiply by 12 again. This is 12 multiplied, which is you are standing like this, and 12 more then you have to multiply this. How much? 10. 20 is your weight. How much? 20 multiply by 12 multiply by 12. So is equal to 20 multiply by 144. 12 and 12 multiplied, then we got 144, and we multiplied this. So what will come? 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, and 0. What will come? 2880. Okay, it is about 310. Okay, 3 ton quintal. Okay, now we will come here. Abdul, how many kilograms do you weigh? Then you have to comment about your weight. What is your weight? I guess your weight is 15 kg. How much? I guess your weight is 15 kg. So 12 children like you put together will weigh about, so 15 multiplied by 12. What? 15 multiplied by 12. What will come? 15 to the 30. What come? 30. 30 का 0 लिखा जाएगा यहाँ पे, और 15 बन जा 15. 15 में ये 3 ऐड कर दो, आ जाएगा 18. क्या आ जाएगा? 180. ओके. About how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children like you put together? तो कितना आ गया हमारा? 180 multiplied by 12. तो क्या आ जाएगा? 12 8 जा 96. 9 is carry and 0. 12 1 ja 12. 12 and 9 we will add 21. What come? 21. So what will be the answer? 21. 9 ये यहाँ पे 6 है हमारा. 263 is if your weight is 15. Then the fish tail. I'm going to end this. Okay. Now I am requesting you to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. I will teach you this tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.